It is shocking video. A woman thrown like a rag doll after being hit by a car in December of last year.
I think the sound of that person hitting that vehicle is going to stick with me for the rest of my life.
Kimberlyn Slattery was on her morning commute when a snow-covered car blew a red light, hit her, and sent her flipping in the air. Kimberly landed on her head before crawling to the side of the road as the car sped off. Unable to speak on camera, she told CHEK News she suffered a compression fracture in her neck. Today, 4 months following the crash, Victoria Police announced they've laid charges under the Motor Vehicle Act: driving without due care and attention, failing to remain at the scene of the collision, driving while their view is obstructed, and illegible plates.
It's basically impossible, given the damage to the vehicle, for this person to have not known that they had struck someone.
The driver is facing a fine of $1,075 and an additional 8 demerit points, which at minimum would add $636 to their annual insurance costs and a review of their license by ICBC. The question for many: why no criminal charges?
Motor Vehicle Act charges allow for a swifter administration of justice. They could lose their ability to drive. Our focus is keeping people safe on the roads, and by being able to intervene early using the Motor Vehicle Act, we're able to do the best we can to ensure that this won't occur again.
But without criminal charges, injury lawyers say Kimberly has lost her ability to sue.
That's a rude awakening to a lot of people. A lot of folks believe that wrongful drivers can still be sued, but the default in British Columbia now is if you're the victim of a crash, you cannot sue, even if that driver's done something particularly outrageous. Unless there's a criminal code charge and conviction, the drivers basically get off scot-free and the victims don't have the right to sue.
In May of 2021, the province introduced a new ICBC model, smoother in the sense that drivers pay less for insurance because lawyers say victims have less rights.
You have to take political action, otherwise ICBC is happy to keep raking in billions of dollars in profits with victims having no rights.
As for Kimberly, she says she's starting to feel like herself again, but still has a long recovery to go.